Take a look at this channel. Started on May 3rd this year, and within just 2 months, it generated 1 million subscribers and 39.6 million views. Crazy, right?
Then comes channels like this. This. Or this. YouTube is basically full of this type of failed channel, but don't demean them. Chances are, if you start a YouTube automation channel today, you will also be joining the failure club sooner or later. Does it mean you're not capable enough? No. It just means that YouTube automation is not as easy as it's said.
In this video, we are going to explain all the pros and cons of running a YouTube automation channel so you can leverage this valuable knowledge.
And before we start, if you want to brush up your idea about what exactly YouTube automation is, check this video to get 100% clarity.
The first pro of YouTube automation is something you all know, the reason behind its popularity: scalability. Once you've set up your channel, YouTube provides tools to automate video uploads effortlessly. You can set presets for tags and descriptions, and schedule videos far in advance. With talented people, it's possible to fully automate a channel so it runs independently and generate hefty income without any consistent supervision. This is why major content creators in YouTube automation manage multiple channels simultaneously.
However, there are challenges. YouTube is now overcrowded, especially in areas like cryptocurrency, finance, ambient sounds, or Reddit-related content. To stand out, your channel needs a unique angle, whether in content, filming style, or video format. There are certain niches that have lower earnings per 1,000 views, CPM, such as tutorials on drawing or funny pet videos. Advertisers struggle to target specific buying interests in these areas. On the other hand, niches like health, wealth, and relationships tend to have higher CPMs. Advertisers in these fields can pinpoint their audience's interests more accurately, leading to higher ad spend and potential revenue for creators. So, the first major hurdle is choosing the right niche. What niche you are choosing will make your luck for your YouTube journey.
On the positive side, one big advantage is that you can manage multiple channels. Once your first channel starts making money, it can help pay for more channels. As I mentioned, having multiple channels means you can earn money from all of them without doing all the work yourself. It's not exactly passive income, but more like getting back what you invested. It's smart to wait until your first channel is profitable before starting another one. That way, your first channel can support the growth of the others, like a bootstrapped business model.
But you will see many people claiming that success in YouTube comes almost in months, or days, or overnight. In my experience, it usually takes between 3 to 6 months minimum to start seeing real success. In the first 3 months, you might only make around $10 a day, but if you keep at it, by 6 months, you could potentially earn enough to do it full-time. A lot of things have to go right: picking the right keywords, finding good voice actors, and making eye-catching thumbnails. So one of the downsides in YouTube automation is that you'll have to be patient. It really takes time, effort, and determination. And still, there's a lot of factors that can go wrong in between.
Then, what gives you the motivation? Here is the pro number 3, and also one of the biggest advantage of running a YouTube channel: the potential to earn a lot of money. If you do your research and understand your audience well, you can make as much money as you aim for. YouTube is hugely popular and offers many opportunities for content creators. Instead of just relying on YouTube's partner program, which needs a lot of watch time and subscribers, you can monetize your channel in smarter ways. For example, if your channel is about making money online or crypto, you can promote affiliate programs in your video descriptions or sell your own digital products. You will make 3 to 4 times more money than the YouTube partner program.
But there's a simple money rule in life. To earn money, you need to invest first. YouTube automation is no exception in this case. You might need to invest a significant amount of money, around $5,000 or more, to get things off the ground. Many people think it's easy and automatic, but you'll likely need funds for things like paying your team, creating a logo, and covering unexpected costs. Managing a team can also be challenging, as there may be issues and turnover. It's wise to have backup plans and resources in place. So, the main drawback here is the hefty upfront cost involved.
But that cost provides you the greatest thing ever: automation, which is another pro for this. Once you've hired 4 key people, a scriptwriter, a voice actor, a video editor, and a virtual assistant, After a bit of training up front, you can step back and let them handle everything. This setup allows you to earn money online with minimal effort after the initial setup phase, like a regular money printing machine.
However, in this case, each team member has their own personality, goals, and ambitions, which means it's a very diverse team with diverse ideas and visions, which may not always align with yours, especially in growing your YouTube automation business. To mitigate this, it's wise to have a short list of candidates for each role and carefully choose the best ones. This approach helps you scale faster and prepares you for any unexpected changes, like team members leaving suddenly or struggling with their workload. Otherwise, faulty team management can act like a Trojan horse in your YouTube automation dream.
And that takes us to the next pro of YouTube automation. Although it's not a big company, you will still be more like a CEO, earning seriously like one. If you enjoy leading a large team and helping them achieve their goals, being a CEO offers significant benefits. However, it requires strong leadership and communication skills to succeed in this role.
But here comes a terrific downside, which is extremely important but the most overlooked in every discussion. YouTube refreshes and restructures their rules and algorithm from time to time. For instance, YouTube recently banned videos about certain violent video games, affecting channels that relied on such content for income. This sudden change left many creators with hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers without a way to make money. It's a huge and cruel blow to those content creators. So in other words, stability is a concern. When it comes to YouTube automation, you can earn spectacularly well today, but nobody knows if this will continue tomorrow. In simple terms, YouTube automation is a hero or zero game, but it also provides an opportunity to apply your knowledge, experience, and effort. That's why it's still worth trying, and you are welcome to try your luck.
So, what's your take on this?
Do you see them as a game changer or a risk?
Thanks for watching.